What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Lexus Beauty. You guys are loving this wig series, and I so love sharing my wig secrets with you all. If you want to know how I got this flawless, glueless 30-inch wig, stay tuned. Okay, so first thing first, the hair that I'm using is from my hair brand, DIVAMEhair.com. You guys have been ordering like crazy, and I thank you all so much. Go ahead, check out the description box for the link. This is a 30-inch wavy Brazilian hair that I'm using to create my wig. So this is the first time that I've ever used a sewing machine to create a wig. Yes, so head over to my website right now and purchase your hair. So this right here is me using my double wefted tracks. If you guys want to know how I double weft my tracks, go to the last video that will be posted in my description box. Yeah, so I show you all how I do it there. But I pretty much take the wig cap and I align it with the tracks, and I make sure that I put the tracks in the wig cap. I placed my tracks on top of the wig cap, and then I placed the whole track in the middle of the sewing machine area. So you guys will see like just how I kind of maneuver it through this like area that's already there for me. All you have to do is kind of push it forward, and when I press that button down, I'm pretty much securing it. Extra security, I'm going back and forth with the threading. That's all. And I only do that for the edges just to make sure the wig is secure. But yes, you guys, I just seriously thank you all. Last month I started off with 89 subscribers, and I'm telling you, within the last 2 weeks of December 2022, I've gained 131 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Y'all like made my year, seriously. So if you are enjoying this wig series, you guys are enjoying my hard work, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling this wig series, or what other videos that you want to see, because I love talking with you all. I answer every comment, everything. Like, y'all are amazing. Y'all are the bomb. I have the best fan base ever. Thank you. I love you so much. And I'm gonna let you just enjoy the process. All right, so I'm putting on the wig to show y'all how it's looking. Oh my God, do you not see this lace? For one, this lace is flawless, but you guys see that I have a flat foundation, okay? These are from using double wefted tracks, and I still achieved the flat foundation. So bomb. It's so easy. Like, I'll show you guys how to do the threading of your sewing machine. I'll show y'all how to do the double wefts. Like, I'm showing you guys all of my secrets. Literally, you guys can achieve this from your home. You don't have to pay anyone to make your wig. You can do it yourself. So easy. Just follow my wig series. Go to my previous videos. I made a playlist about it. Subscribe to my channel, Lexus Beauty. And if you do want to get the quality hair that I have the best top-notch quality hair. My hair does not shed. It's actually a little bit longer than the length that is posted. So yes, you guys, check out my website, www.divamehair.com. I not only sell hair, but I also sell lashes and everything related to hair health, growth, and protective styles. So check out my website. You guys will not be disappointed. And yeah, so all I'm doing is just pretty much sewing. I take my time sewing. Like I said, this is my first wig that I ever created. And it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun when I finally got my rhythm. It became fun. It was a little difficult at first because I just didn't know what I was doing. But you guys, it did not take me long to catch on. It's pretty much the same thing. You just use the foot pedal to press down lightly and just kind of direct the wig and the cap through that little area where it's needling. It's super easy. All right, babes. So the wig is finally complete. I know it looks so crazy right now, but oh my God, this foundation is flawless. Anytime you have a flawless foundation, you know the rest is just going to be off the chain amazing. So look how beautiful that lace was. It's so transparent. And this is how the back look. I'm going to and this is my baby sister. She wanted to try on the wig. It's flawless, flawless. So in the next videos, I'm going to show you all how I style my hair and how I do the baby hairs and do all that fun stuff that I know that y'all are interested in. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like these videos. Leave a comment down below and head over to divamehair.com to shop my hair. I love y'all. Stay fabulous. Mwah. Happy New Year's. Mwah.